guys, I'm Ish from Open Road Motorhomes, and today I'm going to run you through this Toyota Hiace made by Frontline. It's a 2013 model with a walk-through. So if you want to come in, I can start off with the DC distribution panel, which is basically your main supply to everything that's going on in the house. So in that top left-hand corner, you've got 12.3 volts, which is where our house battery is at. So you can always keep an eye on that when you're free camping. You got two USB outputs here, two 12 volt outputs there. You got an antenna output, so if you have a TV, you can access that from there. Now these switches here are the activation units for the top left hand one is for the water pump, switch it on and off. Your L for your lights, your A for the auxiliary. So all these 12 volt outlets will work off that if that's activated. So if I switch that off, they won't work. And F for the 12 volt compressor fridge. I'll run you through that. So 12 and 240 compressor fridge, pretty nice and easy. So you switch that switch on, open up that freezer, and you'll see the thermostats through there. Naturally, always keep it on the max initially to get it all cool, then adjust the temperature down once you're all ready to go. We'll walk around the outside and we'll pack up as we go. We've got the nice shade cloth that's covering the awning, and this is obviously a pop down. So I'll pop this down, nice and easy. We can shut our lights off. You've got, before I do that, you've got the straps, so to lock it in while traveling. So open up that flap, fit the strap through, and push him down. And there's 4 around. So coming through, as you open your door, you can see your spare tyre kit with your jack and wheel brace, fire extinguisher there, and I'll show you how easy this is to take down. Pretty much just wraps around the awning, and we'll just pull him off, bring him around. It's basically a sunshade, so if it gets a bit windy, we always bring it in. Also, rule number 2, shut the door whenever we bring it in or out. So I'm just going to wind him in a little bit closer, adjust these legs, get forward, and wind. So when it's about half a metre or so, basically at your eye line, drop him down and bring those legs in. So I like to grab it from the top, crack that nut off, it shouldn't drop too high. Clip these legs in. Clip. Easy, it is self-supporting for a little while. Let me bring it in. Nice and firm. Pull the awning handle out. This has got its own home towards the back. And when you're packing up, you also got this nice little area in here to do whatever you need to do. We'll bring this down over that tailgate. It's got one clip here holding it in place. Here we go. Pushing that around. So we might walk to the front. So you've got access to your fuel there, which I'll pop open on the driver's side. access to the fuel, nice and easy. Opening up the door. Engine and motor are underneath the seats. You've got a nice little heat shield there so you can't feel anything through there, and all that insulation there. So you can walk around to the front. Up on the bonnet. Toyotas are really easy to work on and see, have access to your water, brake fluid, engine oil, all that kind of stuff. So windscreen washer fluids through there, coolant, very accessible, brake fluid, all there. You got your supply sign on the driver's side. Before we get to that, you got tyre placards and all that kind of stuff on the inside here. So around, so what does it say? So 350 kPa, which is about 40 psi. So on this side, you've got access to your water tank with your freshwater hose, back of the fridge here, which lets it breathe, and another antenna input there. So you've also got your 15 amp input there, which has the bigger earth on it. Okay, so that supplies power to your 240 power points. Also charges that house battery as well. And your microwave will only work when you're on that 240. Alright guys, well I'm Nish, I'm from Open Road Motorhomes, come check us out.